accidentally become a bad driver, because every time I step foot in Arlington, literally all the driving instincts leave my body and I almost run someone over and I feel horrible. But you know, I was just merely a girl looking for parking. So I'm debating on wearing my boots for my friend's surprise birthday, or just keeping the shoes on that I have right now, because it's just not that comfortable, the ones I have. I don't like when there's like, sometimes I like the messy look, but I'm trying to look more put together. And I'm excited to surprise her. I haven't seen her in quite a bit. I have like my cute little gift here. I have my little card and just goodies that she's gonna love. And I'm just so glad I brought a water bottle, because every time I drive somewhere more than 30 minutes, I generally get so dehydrated. But look at my makeup. Holy shit. I look good.
Happy birthday, dear Carrie. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
It's a very difficult thing. You know, you're trying to articulate something that you're still formulating in a way. And so, you know, I went into that conversation, you know, with the producers.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
He tooted.
He's the only one that's doing
He just tooted. Fish are not colorful.
What the dog doing?
So I just got my big suitcase out of my basement. It was trapped in a stuffy room. And now I'm looking through all of my clothes. And as you can see from this lighting, it's been beautiful weather recently. So, oh yeah, featuring my beautiful English calendar. I'm gonna pick out like all the winter clothes that are too warm, and I'm just gonna put them in my suitcase so I'm ready for when I move. But yeah, I've been waking up to my beautiful vision board, which actually I don't want to show. And yeah, I do believe it's all gonna happen. It's just a matter of time, and I'm excited. So
Greetings. Say hi into one of those mics. You can say eee or ooh, like bamboozle. Come on, fam.
I didn't know that I was going to have to eat my words, objected Milo.
Of course, everyone here does. Okay, right.
so cute. What is it doing? That were kind of weird and big and kind of mean. Who was in the back seat?